anywhere else. So for example, if I go to Botswana, maybe the beliefs there are not the same. Because you know in Botswana, death pen...
Try America.
Oh. You heard that, try America. So we're going to try America. Like in America, let me give you another example. The death penalty exists. Here it doesn't exist. So those are some of the beliefs. What else? What else makes you South African? Oh no, I'm going to give someone else a chance. Being proud. Being proud, right? South Africans, proudly South African. We've even got a company called Proudly South African. At the back, citizenship. That's quite important. Do you know if you're not a citizen of South Africa? Yeah. Nothing wrong. You live in South Africa, but what makes you South African is the citizenship. At the back, the languages. How many languages do we have? 12 plus sign language. Yeah? Okay. At the back there, your hand was up. What makes you South African? Diverse cultures. Okay, what else? Right, guys. In what other countries do you have boerewors and pap?
And beer.
Okay. I was hoping that you'd say Coke. But it's fine, okay?
My skin, right?
Your skin. Okay, what about your skin? Isn't your skin the same in Botswana?
Well, try America again.
Wait. Okay. You should what's your name? Basically, is Beyonce not your color in America?
No. You should look at it in a very different way. Mine is more African. You know, it's a brown skin.
Okay, what about Jay-Z? Jay-Z's got a brown skin.
Same thing as Jay-Z.
Kanye West is not a brown skin. Okay. You're going to give her time to think about America while she comes up. Okay. We're not going to move on to the second. Okay, now there's the second, right? Now, it's easy to say I'm a South African, you know, write a speech like Thabo Mbeki and say I'm an African. But the big question is, what can I do to contribute to the development of Africa? Now that's profound. You know, having a bra and voice does not contribute to being an African. So what can we do? I want to see more hands. I'm going to note on that. I want to see these other hands because I haven't heard your voices. So what can you do to contribute? Okay.
I can be myself.
You can be yourself. Okay, how does being yourself contribute to Africa?
I lead myself to the accomplishment of my vision without any obstacles. I don't allow obstacles to overcome me.
Hallelujah. Okay. Okay, that's nice. I like the confidence. Come on, we stand the line. That's where we want your confidence to be. Okay, guys, let's listen. If you're not speaking to me, then you're not speaking.
Get educated.
Get educated. Profound. Masimshali Zandla. No, now, that's big. You must get educated because what we need CAs, we need doctors, we need tax accountants, we need BA students, right, Manolo?
Yeah, we do.
So you guys need to get educated. Otherwise, we're going to have all these industries that you guys can't be able to take. What else?
Support local organizations.
Okay. Stop lying. Okay. Guys, don't make my life difficult, otherwise I'm going to walk out. Okay, but on a serious note, supporting local. Why is it important to support local?
Because if you support local organizations, it contributes to the economy of our country.
Can we make a minister of finance already?
Wow. Leadership.
It's like this, man. It's like this. Basically, if you live in a house and there's another house, does it make sense if your brother's selling e-sweet for you to go and buy next door for e-sweet? When in actual fact, if you buy from your brother who lives in the house, when he buys groceries, he's able to plow back into the country. So it's important that we buy local, right? Nike is nice, Adidas is nice, whatever, but you need to buy proudly South African products. Because when you buy that, you in actual fact are bringing it back to your country. What else? What else can we do to contribute?
Pay tax.
Oh, pay tax. Can Malema just pay tax, as you know? So we need to pay tax, guys.
Yes, say no to Jojo.
Say no to... Say no to what? No. Not to chore. We need to fight corruption. And corruption is quite simple. It starts at your age. Petit pas shape. Don't do that. Okay. Last question, let's focus. The last question is what, because you guys in that stage are going to be part of this big South Africa, what kind of South Africa or Africa do you hope to see in 10 years? Now, think about it. I'm going to give you 15 seconds to think about it. Don't answer. Think about it. Think about it.